on to the curtains. I've already made one set of curtains with this striped material. And I lined up the stripes so that you wouldn't really see them through, and I've done them double-sided. I don't have enough of the striped fabric for all the curtains, so I'm doing double-sided with the floral pointed outside the bowler for the front and the back curtains, and the stripe pointed in. We're about to make or try the curtains that we've made. We tried it before, they were too short, so we had to go back at it. Here we go.
Hurry, it's raining, get in.
Get in! Sit in the retro paradise.
La, 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 la.
Oh! Let's look outside. Oh yeah, they're nice and slim. I could probably make little strappies like that. Or just little ties with the floral fabric.
Oh yeah.
So you can like have them open.
Cool.
So cute.
Okay, I have to do them exactly the same.
Okay, 22. Finish the curtains. We're gonna put them in. Working again.
I don't know, is this
too long?
Yeah. It's too
long.
long.
Not working.
But it would fit perfectly.
Perfect size.
see what it looks like.
Close it, see what it looks like. Oh.
Oh.
Matchy. Floral. Matchy. Floral. Nada. Matchy. And look, the awning in the background will go so good with this pattern. Look at this, it's so good. My mama got me these lemon pillows and all the pillows there. And I thought those were just kind of for comfort, but they actually fit into the double bed.
Oh, goodness.
Wow. Looks great.
Who's ready for camping?
Me.
Yay! Let's go. Let's hook her up.
Let's go.
Hook her up.
I forgot about the leather pouch on the side. It'll be good to charge. I'll show you our Waka Waka chargers another day. But this just snaps on. So whoever's eating here will have a little. We can even put our games in here.
Yeah, magnetic ones.
So there, and then
Put your phone and let it charge.
whoa,
Okay.
cool. Love it.